In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore and try apps in Jira using the Google Guide. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to explore its extensive options, this simple walkthrough will guide you through the steps efficiently. Let's dive in and transform your Jira experience. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Jira. If you're unsure how to get there, simply type Jira into your search engine, or if you already have the link saved, you can use that too. Once you're on the Jira homepage, you'll be greeted with various options to navigate through. But we're aiming to explore more apps today, so your focus should be on the top navigation bar. Look for the Apps section. It's typically situated amongst other options like projects or dashboards. Give Apps a click, a drop-down might appear, presenting you with several choices related to apps. From the options, you'll want to select Explore More Apps. This is your gateway to discovering numerous apps that can enhance your Jira workflow and overall functionality. Now let's talk about finding JXL. In the search bar, which is usually located at the top of the app exploration page, type in JXL. Doing so will initiate a search, and soon you'll see JXL among the results. Finding the right apps can sometimes feel overwhelming due to the sheer volume available. But remember, the search function is your best friend in narrowing down the options. Once you've located JXL in the search results, the next step is to click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can learn more about the app features, user reviews, and other relevant details. It's always a good step to familiarize yourself with these details before proceeding with any installation. After you've reviewed the information, and if you feel that JXL aligns with your needs, go ahead and click Try it free. This option permits you to experiment with JXL without any immediate commitment, helping you evaluate whether it seamlessly integrates with your current Jira setup and is beneficial for your specific tasks. And just like that, you're done. It's that simple to explore and try new apps in Jira. By following these instructions, you've not only expanded your Jira potential with JXL, but have also familiarized yourself with the process of incorporating apps in the future. Don't hesitate to revisit the Explore section often as needs change and new apps become available, ready to elevate your productivity to the next level. Remember, enhancing your Jira experience is only a few clicks away, and with a bit of exploration, you'll unlock tools that simplify and improve your workflow. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy exploring.